Spike. It's ready.
What's cooking?
Special bell peppers and beef.
You said bell peppers and beef. There's no beef in here.
This week's feast, bell peppers and beef.
From Cowboy Bebop. What's up, everyone? Today we are making one of the most iconic dishes from Cowboy Bebop.
It's a very common dish from both Chinese and Japanese culture, and it's very easy to make.
And we are so lucky to have Mama Wong at the building, her expertise and help with this recipe, so let's get cooking.
Yeah, let's do it.
In Cowboy Bebop's iconic scene, Jet's version of bell peppers and beef is actually just bell peppers and mushrooms. So let's look at how to recreate that exact recipe we see in the episode. Big thanks to Mama Wong for being here to help us make this recipe, so just watch in awe as she takes this green bell pepper and turns it into perfectly thin slices. And then do the same for your mushrooms as well. Now, depending on where you are in the world and what your store offers, you might not get the exact same looking mushrooms that Jet uses on Cowboy Bebop, but that's okay. This recipe is all about pulling together what's available. Now add oil to the pan over medium-high heat until the oil is hot. Add in your bell peppers and stir fry for a couple of minutes before your mushrooms. Then add a little bit of soy sauce and then bam, we are good to go. Very simple, very few ingredients, and very delicious. All thanks to a super hot pan, this cooks very quickly and efficiently. Okay, now you're asking, where's the beef? Is Jimmy gonna do that Babish thing where they elevate the recipe to inaccessible levels for the regular chef? We're just kidding. We've got you covered, and it's honestly still pretty simple. This new slightly fancier recipe starts nearly the same. Slice up your bell peppers, and this time around we're gonna add an onion to the mix. Then slice up some ginger into thin strips. This is a great addition to cooking with real beef because you can infuse that ginger flavor and bring out the beef. Now we can't forget our mushrooms and of course the beef itself. Cut it into slices and then into thinner strips. Same as last time, add oil to a pan over medium-high heat, but this time start with your ginger, and then once the fragrances are emitting, add the beef. Give that a continuous stir to make sure that the meat is cooked evenly on all sides, then remove the beef from the pan, leaving the remaining oil, then add all of your veggies back in to cook in that beefy goodness. Continue cooking, add some salt and pepper to taste, and once the onions and green peppers are soft, you can add the beef and ginger back in. Finish it off with a little bit of soy sauce and a tablespoon of Panda oyster sauce. Stir until evenly incorporated, and voila! This is an authentic Mama Wong interpretation of bell peppers and beef, which is a recipe that is present in both Chinese and Japanese cultures. Heck, you can probably find a version of this in almost every single country on that side of the world. Jet and Spike may wish they had something like this when the nights in deep space are cold and the bounties are sparse, but to make do, we'll just have to make it ourselves and eat it instead. The best part is, it is super simple, fast, and delicious. See you, Space Cowboy. Mom, what's the secret to bell peppers and beef?
Oyster sauce. Really?
That's it? Not
Yep.
the love and care you put into it?
Well, of course. You have to cook with your heart.
This is great. This is only, what, 4 ingredients?
Yeah.
In terms of the actual vegetables and meat?
You can use any kind of mushroom. Any.
I am loving this. I'm obsessed with this.
You're not hearing much from me because I got better things to do, aka eat this.
I even like it too.
What's the name of this in
The
Chinese?
trigonometer.
青椒炒肉丝.
It's really similar in the Japanese version, but typically, I read that you make this normally with pork, right?
It could be either way, but more common with pork.
Why is that?
When I was in China, it was hard to get beef. It's hard to get any meat.
But pork was
Really?
easier?
Pork was a little bit more common, yes.
Oh, wow, wow.
Wow, wow, wow.
Wow, wow, wow.
Wow, that was so good.
That
I
was
really want
so
to eat
good.
more, but
I think also, Mama Wong, we're gonna need a tutorial on these adorable little napkin kimonos.
I know. Where'd you
How
learn to do
stinking
this?
cute are these?
I kind of just playing around and I thought, oh, that looks
What?
cute.
It's like
Wait.
looks like it's ironed and it's like crisp.
yeah, it looks like you could put a tiny human into this. You could put
Seriously.
stick Sawyer in one of these.
You can stick fork and spoons, whatever the utensils.
You know what, guys? Y'all need a tutorial about this ASAP for like all of the holidays that we're not celebrating with our families. because of
Yeah.
COVID.
Very easy.
We might post something like that on our Instagram, so make sure you follow us at Feast of Fiction. Mom also here wants to do more cooking, and I know that all of you out there enjoy having her on. But I want to know, if you could have her expertise in the kitchen help you cook anything.
Yep.
What would it be?
What would it be?
And if you guys want to see more videos, just let us know and send my mom some love. She'll love to read it.
Yes, we know you guys will already
I
do
read
that.
every one of them.
Really?
Yes,
Well,
I do.
we have
I
to
do.
overflow the comment section then, because
Yeah.
we all know that when Mama Wong is on our set, you guys go crazy, and we just love having her here.
Yeah.
And hopefully in 2021, she will be here cooking with us more.
Yes, I would enjoy that.
I would love it so much.
It means I get to
Thank
cook
you.
less for myself, and it's like I'm growing up again, all over again.
No, I don't want him at home.
No!
He's gone. He's done.
I think the only thing missing from this meal is a bowl of rice.
Oh,
That's what I
yes.
would like with
Yes.
this. But I mean, just by itself though, it's amazing.
And it's probably pretty healthy, huh?
Very healthy and very easy to make and
Yeah.
very fast.
Oh my goodness, that's the best thing about a meal right there. Healthy, easy to make, and fast.
Yeah, not to mention, nothing's fried, right?
Right.
The cholesterol isn't gonna go through the roof when you eat this. It's got vegetables in it, onions and bell peppers. And if you saw the original version, we just used bell peppers and mushrooms, and trust me, that version was tasting just as good as this
Oh
one.
my gosh, because the secret, she said, oyster sauce.
Oyster sauce.
Yes. Buy their cookbook. Push that button to subscribe.
Yep.
You show them your love, and they will show you their love.
Oh, thank you, Mama.
That's so
Well,
sweet.
we love you. You've been so supportive.
Aw.
Yes.
Yep. Yeah,
Thank
you
you
can-
so much.
Thank you all so much.
Yes.
Please buy our cookbook. It is at feastoffiction.com. It's a great gift. I
Perfect
gave my
gift.
mom a gift of a cookbook for the holidays. So,
I'm loving it. It's nicely made. The pictures are gorgeous. I am not kidding you. And I was involved when they were
Yeah.
making them. It's amazing how much work there is. Their place was like a warehouse. That's how much
it was a mess.
crap
Yeah.
they have to use to make this book.
Yep, every single picture,
Yeah.
down to the napkins, the silverware, the way that we decorated it, the lighting, all of it. Tons and tons of work went into it. This was Ashley's
Meticulous.
ideas too, to
I
make
know,
these
look
awesome.
how beautiful. You know, just get a little metal easel and put it in the kitchen, and it could be a piece of artwork and brought color to your kitchen.
my
And you can
goodness.
turn it a page every day, and it's a piece of art.
We should have had you help market this book.
I was
What were
gonna
we
say, she's
thinking?
the best
I mean, I'm
person we've ever had on
I
this
have
book.
one displayed in my kitchen, and I usually flip the pages.
Yeah.
If I'm tired of looking at it, you know, every
There's always
page-
something else new.
Yeah, look, every page is so gorgeous.
Thank you.
I mean, look at them.
I'm looking.
Very nicely done. I'm so proud of them. They're
Aw.
good people.
You guys-
Very good people.
Thanks, Mom.
Listen to this endorsement, y'all. This is the best endorsement for the Feast of Fiction Kitchen
Yeah.
we could ever get.
It
So,
really is.
yeah.
It's super easy gift to get as well. You can get it from
Yeah.
online book retailers, and it'll get to your house like that.
Yep.
We'll have all the links below, and of course, let us know what you want to see us make next on the show. Thanks, Mom, for coming by.
Yes,
Thank you
challenge
so
me.
much. Oh, yes.
Challenge Mama Wong. It's a new segment.
You heard it here first.
All right, bye everyone.
Bye. Thank you.